What's up, people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. You gonna say hi, Blake?
Hi.
This is Blake. This is my daughter. Today is going to be a lock video. Her locks are, I already kind of retwisted and did some 2-strand twist on her hair. But I'll give y'all a separate update on this situation, but today we're going to talk about this situation. If you're new to this channel, I started off with about 80 locks, dropped down to 60-40, and this is where I am now. If you have any questions, try to go back and find videos instead of me having to answer the same questions over and over again. But if you absolutely are just burning to know, leave a comment and I'll answer them. For this video, I just want to share how I've been maintaining the shape of my locks without retwisting them. Super simple, super easy. So I'll just give my hair a nice little spray like this. If you want to see how long my locks are, that's how long they are. I am past shoulder length. Past shoulder length on you hoes. Watch out, guys. So I just kind of give them a light spray. This is just water in here this time. And I work that through. I work that through completely. And this is all I do. I just make sure my locks are separated. So I'll go through it and I'll like split my locks, pop whatever I need to pop. But I don't make my part super clean because I don't care. That's not the journey I'm on. So you do what's for your journey. I just kind of pop that to make sure. I usually have a middle part or everything is flipped to the side. So that tends to stay pretty clean as far as locks are concerned.
Mama?
Yeah, babe. Your nose is OD crusty.
Yeah.
Once my locks are completely popped and detangled, I just find one that has a lot of fuzz, like these right here, and just see if it's a lot that's out. And that right there, that's fine for me. But if you could see, like this one right here, that has a big chunk that's kind of loose. Where is it? Right here. Like this. I'll just kind of take it and wrap it around and give it a good like, it's not really a palm roll because I'm not taking it and rolling it like that. I'm just creating a fire, like using friction to kind of make it stick together, if that makes any sense. So that one's okay. These in the front always tend to have a lot of hair out, but I don't care. So I don't really do much with that.
Mommy?
Yes.
Look.
So again,
See?
I see Blythe. Go ahead, Blythe, now. I just take it and I wrap it and I just kind of try to marry it together. And also, the hair that's back here is pretty straight, like, so I don't let these stress me out because a lot of it is straight hair or hair that's really like big and like big curls. They give me a hard time, so I don't bother putting those in. But really, that was the only one that had hair that really needed to be popped in. So for the sake of demonstration, I'll just take it and I'll wrap it around loosely, just at the base of my lock where nothing is kind of locked anywhere. And I'll just rub it together like that. pretty much all I do to like maintain the shape of my locks. And I feel like they're coming together pretty great. This is what I want, so yeah. For anyone that was wondering, that's pretty much all I do to my hair. I don't do anything else. Yeah, Black. Okay, well, that one needed some TLC. That's it. Over the last couple months, I might have done it like twice, and that I think that was twice, and that was the third time that I've done it. And I pretty much only do it when I really want to look neat, like, you know, like socially constructed, put together, if that makes any sense. Other than that, I don't really bother them. It's not my desire for my locks to look perfectly tamed. Which, you know, it definitely has been a struggle for me, but I know, Blythe, you made a mess, per usual. So yeah, come here, Blythe. So that is all I do to maintain my thick locks. You know, we're gonna see how this goes. I might change my mind and start doing something different, and if I do, y'all will be like the second people to find out, because I'm gonna be first. Yes. Your toes? I see your toes. You're pretty toes, yeah. So yeah, for anyone that was curious, that is all that I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Nathina Antoinette. The same as my sorry, somebody just texted me and it just came on my laptop. Follow me on Instagram at Nathina Antoinette, the same as my YouTube channel. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys very soon.